Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. So today I have a heated blanket from Vremi and I'm so excited about this. It is December and it is really cold here. So I am so excited to open this and try it out. All right, so I went ahead and opened this. It does have a manual that comes with it. Safety instructions, of course, operating directions. Okay, so here it actually has a temperature selection indicator and heat up time. So you can see that. Let's see what else. It does have an auto shut off, which is so nice. You can machine dry this or line dry it. You can wash it in the washing machine. That's really nice. And then some warranty information. So let's look at the blanket. Oh wow, this is so soft, you guys. I love this. Oh my gosh. It is so soft. I can't not imagine how comfortable this is when we plug it in and turn it on. This is just amazing. So here's the plug-in. Here is the controller. So let's plug this in and see how it works. All right, so I have this plugged in. This is actually a really big blanket. So this is gonna be really nice. All right, let me turn it on here. So when you turn it on, you can see the different settings that it has. So let's turn it up. Let's see how high it goes. So it goes to 110 degrees. That is really warm. Whoops, it went back down. Okay. Okay, so it's warming up. Okay, so I set it to 110 degrees. You can see it's warming up. And then it is set for 8 hours here on the bottom. I'm gonna do the timer down here and I'm going to reduce the time. Now it says 1 hour. So you can see it's warming up to the temperature that you set it at. I can already feel it getting warm. Oh, this is so comfy, you guys. I love this. This is gonna be great on the couch, in bed, even when I'm working in my office. This is so comfortable and so soft. I absolutely love this blanket. This is a standard twin size. So if you do want one for your bed, make sure you look at the size, but this is amazing. I can already feel my feet getting warm. So definitely check us out. We have an app, Run Deals. Make sure you download that to find more discounts and deals.